Hello friends, in this video we will see the architectural drawing that we will be using in this section, and we will also learn what information to extract from the architectural drawing. So you will learn not only to read this architectural drawing but any architectural drawing that you will lay your hands on. If you have practiced a lot, it will be very much easier to read the architectural drawing. But if you are just a beginner, in that case it might be a bit complicated in the beginning, but keep on practicing. Get some floor plans from the Google, download them, study them, and try to prepare some of the floor plans by your own. It will help you to understand the things. This is how I generally do. Okay, so once I get the architectural drawing, the first thing I see is the elevations. Okay, so here the site area is given, but that's not so important. Okay, so this is Dolakha bus park. So Dolakha is a place in Nepal. This project is from there. And south elevation, so this is how it looks from the south. Okay, so I normally see the number of floors that we have. So we got the ground floor, we got the first floor, we got the second floor. Okay, and we got a brick cladding on the south, and so this must be the staircase to the other floors. So we got the windows as well, or I might be wrong. We will clarify that in a while. So let us see the north elevation. So that is the elevation on the opposite side. So we got a plain, just a wall. So there might be some other person's property here, so that is why they don't have any other decorations. So we got a little windows here. And the west elevation, that is this side's elevation, you can see. And so this is outward projection. So this whole thing is the outward projection, and you can see how much outward it is here. Okay, so you must have seen these outward projection designs in various buildings. As you will be practicing as an engineer, so you must observe structures that you come across while you are going somewhere or coming from somewhere, or that you see on the roads. Observe them, how they are built, what designs they are, and if possible visit some sites if you are still studying, and while they are doing those rebar works or those steel works, so see them, and also see how the concreting is done, how the plastering is done, how the brickwork is done. So we got like 24 hours in a day, and if you're still a student or a fresh graduate that is looking for a job, do that at least half an hour. Go to any construction site that is being done near you. And this is the east elevation that you can see, and we got the door here, main door, main entrance door here, and we got some decorations here. And so this is not clear from this elevation, and in such cases you have to consult with the architect what this is. So as a structural designer, you won't be needing what this is, but if you are working at the site and if you are building this structure as a site engineer, in that case you have to consult with the architect what this is, or see the 3D drawing if you got of this structure. Okay, and we also got the spiral staircase on the second floor. So guys, this is all about reading the elevations.